The core of the 4ARTapp is the patented augmented authentication technology that can record the digital fingerprint and condition report in the digital artwork passport, along with all the important information about its history, origins, and background. If I was to register a piece of art, first, I need to identify myself, similar to opening a bank account, because all users wanting to register a piece of art or make changes to its data need to have an ID. I need my passport to fill in these information. I have to scan my passport or ID front and back. And the 4ARTapp automatically extracts all necessary information to be implemented into the 4ARTapp registration module with all the personal data to enable the 4ARTapp to verify my identity according to official compliance governments and KYC standards. Once I'm registered, I can now use the powerful software to capture an artwork's surface and textural properties, as it can read the visible nanoparticle structure simply by using the smartphone's camera. Let's do that now. Take a look at this. In front of me I have 4 obviously identical prints. Let's select one to be the original artwork. I'll take this one. So, put these away, and in order to register this piece of art, I select Register Mode, and first take a full shot of the artwork. Then I enter the basic information of the artwork to be registered. The augmented authentication technology transforms the artwork's deep structure, its DNA, into a unique digital fingerprint. Then I register 3 detail areas of the artwork, which are most suited to read its deep structure.
Select an area of the artwork that you can easily remember and recognize. Scan over the artwork.
Also, I am voice guided by the app on how to exactly position the smartphone's camera. The software will confirm my selection and, in case of doubt, ask me to select another spot. Each selected area will be marked by a virtual pin, which I have to fit into a circle which appears in white, red, or green, depending on the distance to the marked area.
We are analyzing the collected data. We kindly ask for a little patience until we proceed to the next step.
After taking the 3 detailed shots, the digital fingerprint is created and gets stored in the digital 4ART passport, along with any other relevant provenance documentation. The 4ART passport is additionally secured with the blockchain, thus making the artwork's information tamper-proof and always up to date. A future sale, exhibition, or transport is recorded in minutes. To check the registration, we simply change to recognition mode. Again, the software requires another complete shot in order to recognize and identify the image in the database.
Find the ball that is marking the fingerprint on the artwork. Scan over the artwork. Scan over the artwork. Scan over the artwork. Catch the ball. Catch the ball. Scan over the artwork. We are analyzing the collected data.
Here it is. The software reports first, I know this piece of art, and second, I recognize its deep structure. An artwork with a 4ART passport can now be compared to any other object pretending to be the same art piece with just a smartphone and the 4ARTapp. Let's try this with the second image, the copy. So, it looks identical, even to an expert's eye. Again, we select recognition mode and now scan the copy. I let the smartphone guide me like before and match the area now. Now the software compares the scan to the records in the database. And
we are now preparing and showing you a condition comparison for one authentication area.
As you can see, It recognizes that this is something different. A copy, a forgery, but definitely not the original.